put shimmer in the crease? Oh, well, too bad. I'm Indian.
Darcei.
I feel like a bowl of oatmeal. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald-headed back at it again with another video. Oh my god, I don't know what they're doing outside, some sort of construction or something. Don't you think it's a little too cold to be working outside today? Come on, pack it up, Bob the Builder. Today, I am doing the most highly anticipated video in the history of this YouTube channel. That's right. On today's episode of Black Girl Tries, we're gonna be trying knitting. Huh? Right? It's knitting. You guys wanted me to knit, right? Just kidding, it's Indian bridal makeup. I think this video has been highly requested for two reasons. One, I do a lot of Asian content on this channel, but it's usually East Asian content, and the South Asians were like, what about us? And two, I took a DNA test, and turns out I'm 25% South Asian. I'm saying that like I didn't already know that, like, since birth. My dad is half black, half Indian. It's a very common mix in the Caribbean. If you guys want to know more about my ancestry, I'll link my DNA tests in the description box below. Despite having Indian ancestry, I didn't grow up in Indian culture, so I wasn't exactly sure what Indian bridal makeup was. I had to look it up. So I looked up, what in the heckaroonie is Indian bridal makeup? And this is what I found. So when I look up Indian bridal makeup on Google, this is what comes up. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. But it all seems to have something in common here. If you look at all of the bridal makeup looks, most of them include reds and golds because it goes with the traditional Indian bridal gown. And there's always tons of jewelry included as well. Now, me personally, I'm a simple gal, so I don't know if I want to be this ornate on my actual wedding day, but I'll see what I can pull out of my drawer. This is a really simple look here. It's just really reds and golds and winged liner and a red lip. Every single one of these looks includes a red lip. That's really the crucial part. Let's go on YouTube here and see if we can find any Indian bridal makeup video tutorials as well.
Down the barrel, staring down the barrel.
Alright, so after looking through a lot of these photos and videos of Indian bridal makeup, it seems actually pretty simple makeup. I don't think we're gonna have too much of an issue here. I think this is gonna be pretty good. Honestly, I think the most difficult part of this is gonna be the hair because I don't know how to do hair, guys, and I'm scared. But we will cross that bridge when we get to it. So first, let's start with the makeup. The way that I do makeup is that I always start with the base. However, I feel like because we're gonna be working with glitters and shimmers and pretty heavy eye makeup, we should start with the eyes. So I'm gonna start everything off with this concealer from Too Faced in the color Mocha, and I'm going to use it to prep my lids. Starting my makeup off this way is so weird. It's like freaking me out. I feel like it's wrong. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I feel like I'm gonna mess up. I used to do my eyes first all the time, so I feel like I'm like going back in time right now. I feel like I'm in 2016 again, when all I would wear is full glam makeup, and I would always wear black lipstick for some reason. And I'm just gonna set that with some powder, and then the base will be ready to go. Starting off, this is so weird starting off with eyes. I'm gonna take the Jackie Aina palette. So I'm gonna start off with the color Ginger, I think. So taking the color Ginger on a fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna start in the crease and work my way down. Whenever I put on eyeshadow, I'm always talking like I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. We're just gonna blend that ever so softly into the crease, and voila! Do 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 do. Is that a song, or did I make that up? I don't know. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Don't want to be lopsided, ladies. Guys, should I get into Indian music? It's kind of cool. Leave your favorite Indian song in the comments below. Give me song recommendations. What's hip right now? What are the kids listening to? I need to know. You know what? I think this is a wonderful start to a beautiful makeup look. I really do. I really do. We're going to take the color Wigglies. Saying that in an English accent is so funny. I just want to say all the colors in this accent now. Shookington, trust issues, edges, sponsored, ginger, dwellers, dwellers. Ah, that's the best one. Get those dwellers, sweetie. Anyways, I'm gonna use Wigglies. I'm putting this in the crease, even though it has a bit of a shimmer to it, because we're doing an Indian bridal makeup look today, okay? There's no such thing as too much shimmer. Oh, you can't put shimmer in the crease? Oh, well, too bad, I'm Indian. Look at that. This is going to be an absolute masterpiece, okay? Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing once I finish this makeup look, all right? I'm gonna be styling and profiling. I'm literally sitting here thinking, oh, I want to put on too much. This is a really strong color. Totally forgetting that this is an Indian bridal makeup look, Darcy. There's no such thing as too much. Pack it on, sweetie. I'm gonna look crazy. If I need to add more red, I will, which I probably will. But for now, I think we're gonna move on to the main lid color, which is gonna be Zam! Oh, this is gonna be good. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. We're not tapping off the excess here, sweetie. I don't think so. There was glitter all over my face, and I have no regrets. And we're just gonna keep packing this on. Forever. Forever, ever. Forever, ever? Yes. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh my god. Literally my whole face covered in glitter. Oh my god! I made it so much worse. Okay, I'm just gonna clean my face off with a makeup wipe after this. It's no big deal. Or it's no big deal, guys. It's no big deal. Next, I'm gonna take the color Credit, which is this dark brown, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corners and into the crease. Oh yeah. This is really just gonna tie everything together to create the perfect classic bridal makeup look. Disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist and have no idea what I'm doing, but it's beautiful. I really need this to be heavier. It's not heavy enough. I'm not feeling the weight of it all, you know? I'm not feeling the weight. Honestly, I feel like we could use a little bit more pizzazz. So I'm gonna be taking the Touch and Sol Metalist Sparkling Foiled Pigment Eyeshadow in the color Sun Aurora. I feel like this is really gonna add that little pa-pow that we're looking for, you know? Beautiful. Next, we're gonna be putting on eyeliner. So you want a nice, big, thick, long black wing. I like them big. I like them chunky. Now the hard part is getting these suckers to match. Alright, now I'm just wiping everything off with a makeup wipe here. We're looking good so far, guys. Next, let's do eyebrows. Now the eyebrows have to be just as strong as the eyeliner. Those are the rules. The eyeliner and the eyebrows have to match. Let's see what we can do with these things. You have to be very precise. Is that too much? Nah. I know you guys want the little brow song, but honestly, this is not a little brow today, okay? This is a big ass brow. That could be a song. Big ass brow, you're a big ass eyebrow. Big ass brow, you're a huge eyebrow. Big ass brow. Is this too much, guys? Honestly, is it too much? I don't think it is. It's not. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine. Okay, now we're gonna start our skin. So first things first, gonna take my No Problem Primer by Touch and Sol. Just gonna smooth that over the skin. Nice. I always forget to go to the bathroom before I start these videos, and then like halfway through I need to poop so bad, and that's way too much information for you guys, but I don't care. Then I'm gonna take my NARS foundation in the color Macau, which is too light for me right now because I have a tan. Still, this sucker will not go away. Maybe if I stop going outside. That's probably the issue. I should just stop going outside. But anyways, I'm gonna use the color Macao and hope for the best. And I usually use a beauty blender for this, but today I'm going to be using a flat brush. This is a brush from MAC. What is this? 190? I think that says 190. Anyway, it's a flat foundation brush from MAC, and I'm gonna use this. It's not that different. We're gonna use this to apply foundation because, oh my god, it's really different. Because we want a very full coverage look today. This is gonna be a disaster. Already I've gotten foundation in my eyebrow. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the same concealer that I was using before for my eyes. And we're really just gonna slap that on there. Everything is just obscenely light today. Foundation's too light, concealer's too light. Well, she's light skinned today, honey. And I'm taking it all the way up to the temple. This is so dramatic. We love it. We love to see it. I haven't been this dramatic in a while. I'm really enjoying it. And I'm just gonna set that with my powder. This is fun, guys. Are you having fun? I'm having fun. You just fix this eyebrow a little bit. I'm gonna grab my Morphe spray and we're just gonna spritz. For blush, I'm gonna be taking Hollyhock from 3CE because I want something that's really pink, like that. And I know what you're thinking. Darcey, this looks hideous. That's the point. I'm just kidding, it'll all come together in the end, I promise. I don't know why I'm promising that like I know, because I don't. But I've been doing these videos now for over a year, and what I've learned is that every time I think that a makeup look is gonna come out absolutely terrible, it always comes out cute for some reason. Maybe it's because I'm cute. No. That's not why. I just applied some of it to a brush and I'm just sweeping that on there. I'm just gonna take, oh, no, not this one. That's the wrong one. So I'm gonna take my Morphe powder, hit the cheeks a little bit, and dust the forehead. Just so we have a little something going on here. I don't wanna look like an egg. I still look like an egg, but it's fine. Next, I'm gonna take this liner from One Size Beauty. I'm gonna hit right underneath here, sweetie. Is that too much? There's no such thing as too much. And then to finish off the eyes, we have these lashes from Lily Lashes. This is in the style Rome. No Indian bridal look is complete without the big eyelash. Those are the rules. Now for the lip. Of course, I have to bring out the classic Fenty Red Lip. Ugh, Rihanna never lets me down. And I want to put on a highlighter. I almost forgot. Let's put on Oh Darling from MAC. And yes, I do use a fan brush to put on my highlighter because I'm a psychopath. Oh my god, I feel like an Indian bride already. I'm just gonna go over that with, what color is this? Deep Soul from Romand. This is just gonna make the color deeper. So this whole look was actually inspired by my friend Simran. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? Wow. So I think I should change my clothes before I do my hair. That's probably a good idea. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna quickly get dressed. I'll be right back. So I have a question. Why is there so much padding? Like, I'm gonna poke someone's eye out. So I was looking up Indian bridal hair, and it's usually just this beautiful, ornate bun. And I wanted to know exactly how do they get their buns to look like that? And aha! It is all a ruse! They use hair padding. So I was gonna use a wig today, but I feel like I kinda wanna use my real hair. Oh my god, she's not bald! Wow, I look super Indian right now. Look at my arm versus my face. I could honestly just wear my hair like this. It's beautiful. But I want to see if I can try the hair padding thing. Oh my god, I don't even look like myself right now. It's freaking me out. So you're gonna want to start with putting your hair half up, half down, and then slick the rest of your hair back into a ponytail. Then pin your hair up. Grab your hair padding, which I made a makeshift hair padding out of hair nets and a drawstring ponytail. And then you're gonna want to bobby pin it to your head with 8 million bobby pins. Okay, now we gotta put on our accessories. Got some earrings here. Oh my god, they're so heavy. this thing on right? I don't know. It's really pretty. I feel really pretty, guys. Okay, time for the dupatta. Dupatta! Dupatta! Someone marry me off right now. Oh my god, guys. I think this is my favorite look ever. Like, ever. Like, someone marry me right now. Here comes the bride, bitch. I'm so pretty. Ah! Seriously though, somebody better marry me right now because I'm not wasting this. This is literally the prettiest thing ever. Oh my god. Can I wear this every day? Can I be a bride every day? Oh my god, my face is so pale. My favorite part is a dupatta. I don't know how to put on it properly. I'm so sorry. Roast me in the comments. I don't care. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go outside and find a man to marry now because I can't waste this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I certainly did. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. If you guys miss me when I'm not on YouTube, I'm on Instagram and Twitter, so you guys can add me there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these bad boys. All right, the party don't stop here. Don't forget that I love ya so much.